The final step of the codebook wizard is all about customizing your codebook. You can see your codes down here grouped by their respective categories. As long as you haven't made any manual changes to the codebook yet, you can also increase or decrease the number of generated codes by using the slider above. Codes that have been auto-generated by the AI are marked by a star, whereas the ones that you have taken from a template or that have been copied from another project do not have this star. To modify the codebook, you can either remove categories, you can merge categories by dragging them onto each other, you can merge codes by dragging them onto each other, and you can of course add new codes, add new categories, or modify existing codes. Every code has a name. The name is the most important property, as it is used by the AI to do the automatic coding. So the AI tries to understand the code and apply it to the text afterwards. There is also a numerical ID for reference purposes and a code description. The code description can be more elaborate than the name, but it is not used by the AI. It is only for humans to make a more elaborate description of what they mean. You can also add key phrases to a code. For example, I could add the key phrase here, costs too much, to help the AI understand better what I mean by a specific context. However, you should not overuse these key phrases, especially for things that are general knowledge. For example, too expensive, the AI knows already that cost too much is a synonym of that, so this is really not needed. Key phrases are relevant then if you deal with specific industry jargon or if you have abbreviations that the AI cannot understand. To check out how a code has been applied to your data, you can always double-click a code or expand the verbatim browser through this button here, and then update the sample to see which responses or which texts will be tagged with this specific code. You can also remove the filter and just scroll through the verbatims to see which ones don't have any code yet and see if you might need to add any further codes. Once you're happy with the result, click Save and the coding will be applied to your entire dataset.